Good evening, fabulous ladies. I hope you all are having a wonderful day on this first day of February 2023. And I just wanted to come and have a little tutorial tonight. I did tell y'all that I am going to be very active in the tribe. So I'm hoping that you all will like the information. But I did want to come and share because I did share the Mary Kay ECatalog. I don't know if anybody had a chance to take a look at it. It is down in the feed, but it is the ECatalog. But I wanted to show you how to use the ECatalog. It's very interactive. I really like the update that Mary Kay has done. I normally do send out, or have in the past sent out, preferred customer mailings that come in the mail, where you do sometimes get a sample. But I really like this interactive because you can interact with it. So I just want to share it with you. So if you don't unable to find the feed, you can also find it by going to my website, which I will also post. But you'll be able to find it. But if you go to my website, you will see that it's so much to do on the website, and maybe one day we'll go through each tab. But and it is marykay.com/TMCRAE121, and that's my website. But there's a tab where you can shop. There's tips and trends, sell Mary Kay, my MK, that is your personal MK, where you can put your wish list items and so forth there. There is the catalog that we're going to talk about tonight, and it's a virtual try on, so you can actually take a picture or upload a picture, and you can try on some of the amazing products. It's really, definitely really good when it comes to trying on lipsticks and eyeshadows and so forth, even makeup. There is the gift guide. And so we want to go back. I want to go back here to the ECatalog. So once you click on the ECatalog, it's going to pull it up. There is the skincare catalog. You can actually look on that catalog if you desire to. But what I want to look at is the winter look. And I think y'all can see it. I'm trying to make it so, okay. So let me go back, because what I ended up doing, I ended up going to the ECatalog, and that's not where I wanted to go. So I'm gonna go back to home. And then when I go to home, it takes me back to the winter lookbook. It is very user-friendly on your phone, so you can actually put it up and look at it over your phone, on the phone. But these tabs over here, you have the home section that'll take you back to the front. You also have sections. So if you are looking for something and you don't want to go through the whole book, you can actually click on the sections, and then it'll tell you what's on each page. So you kind of get a sneak peek to show you what's on each page there. That's how you would actually do that. Then you have the wish list. So if you're going through and you see something that you may want, or you want to come back to take a look at it, or maybe you're just not ready to get it, but you know you want to get it a little later, you can put it in the wish list. You do have the bookmark, where you can bookmark whatever it is that you, whatever page you're on, so you can ask me a question. You have the notes section. You have the download, where you can actually download it and save it to your device. You have where you can print. You can also share it. I definitely want you to share this with your family and friends. And Would definitely love to have their support as well. And then there's a feedback tab. But what I want to do, I want to go back to the page. So when you want to go through the book, all you have to do is click the arrow. If you're on your phone, you can just swipe up. I believe it's a little bit different when you're on the phone, but it's taking you through the pages. And you see it's kind of moving, so that's how it is interactive. You see that was moving, makes a great gift. This is the MK Men. You know, I did tell y'all that I went over earlier in the other video. Valentine's Day is coming up. Today is February 1st. I suggest you to go ahead and put your orders in. You can do customer delivery, so they can be shipped to your home. So if you wanted to get the beard wash, all you have to do is click on the plus. Once you click on the plus, you can either put it to your wish list, or you can go ahead and add it to your bag. So when you add it to your bag, it'll tell you that it's added, and it's already adding it. I know you probably can't see it, but anyway, it's already going to add it to the bag. Okay, so that's that one. His Scents, those are the colognes that I was telling you about. I actually went through the book, but I just wanted to show you how to use the interactive portion of it. Again, I know you really can't see it, so hopefully you can kind of understand where I'm coming from. Okay, say for instance you want to get the satin hand set, and you want to go ahead and click on it. You can either add it to the bag, or you can add it to your wish list. We'll add it to your wish list, so it's now on your wish list. It didn't go to the bag, but it's there for you. Say for instance you want to ask me a question. Maybe you want to know something about the satin hands. What you can do, you can actually put a note. There's the note. You can add a title. You can say whatever it is that you want to say. And then you can type it there. After you put your note there, once you type it, it'll allow you to save new note. And then you go there. Okay, and then from there, you say, let's see. You were looking and you saw something and you thought, "Ooh, I want to bookmark this look because I want to go back to it. I'm not really ready. I'm still looking through the book." So you can put a bookmark and you'll see that there. That's the bookmark. So it'll show you that it's bookmarked for you, and it's there. Again, you can print, you can share it. It's so much that you can do with it. And if you decide that you want to share it, you can share it to Facebook, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, email, or SMS text message. So you can share in all those different ways. So that's pretty much how that works. And yeah. So it's very interactive. It allows you to do a lot of things. And I do see that's there. So it's bookmarked there. It took me right back to the page that was bookmarked, because it's also showing at the bottom. And then there's feedback. How do you like the Mary Kay Interactive Catalog? Your experience, features, good or not so good? So it allows you to go through all of that and share. And it just say, thank you for your time spent taking this survey. Your response has been recorded. So that's it. And that's pretty much how you go through the book. I hope this information was helpful. Like I said, I know you probably couldn't see all of it there, but those are the features. I just kind of wanted to tell you exactly how it is. Now, if you scroll up, it'll show you have one item in the bag. And say, for instance, you wanted to, maybe you wanted to order, maybe I'll just say the clear proof. That's something my daughter likes, the clear proof. And so maybe you want to order it or order it for yourself. You just click on the plus, come down. You want to add it to the bag. It's showing that it's added and it's already in the bag, and it allows you to be able to check out right there. When you hit checkout, you can either sign in with your email address and your password if you've already registered. If you have not registered, then all you have to do is register. It's good because it keeps everything, your wish list items, it keeps everything there. It's fast and easy, and you can customize it for yourself. But that's just to tell you a little bit about how that interactive e-catalog works. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you have a good night. Be blessed.